In today's video we will see world's first supersonic business jet. It is the Aerion AS2 business jet that was developed by Aerion Corporation together with Boeing. This Aerion AS2 is powered by the three engines of 20,000 pounds thrust, and that support a low bypass configuration. Its engine provides an altitude ceiling of 60,000 feet. AS2 offers supersonic range of 4,200 nautical miles, as well as subsonic range of 5,400 nautical miles. Its 125 meters delta wings were designed to reduce its aerodynamic drag by 20%. The business jet is 49 meter long, 21 meter wide and 8 meter high. This jet is specifically designed to achieve maximum flying speeds of 1,000 miles per hour, and its fuel capacity is 26,800 kilograms. The AS2 has the weight of 22,588 kilograms, and it can carry maximum takeoff weight of 68,039 kilograms. This plane had completed wind tunnel test of 78,000 nautical miles. An Aerion company has invested around $100 million in the technological development. It is able to accommodate total of 11 passengers, and the seat can be used as a bed for 4 passengers at overnight flight. AS2 business jet's cabin has length of 9.1 meter, height of 1.87 meter, and 2.2 meter wide.